Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Thanksgiving disposable foil trays containers bulk pack. The 50-pack large aluminum pans with lids by Zuvo. Whether you're prepping for a big family feast, catering a party, or just batch cooking ahead of the holidays, these foil containers are about to become your go-to solution. Stick around as we break down exactly why they deserve a spot in your kitchen this season. First off, let's talk about the build quality. These containers are made from premium-grade aluminum foil. That means they're not just thin throwaways, they're durable enough to hold hefty portions of food, wet or dry. Each container measures 20 by 8 by 6 centimeters, offering a capacity of 600 milliliters, making them ideal for everything from turkey slices to mashed potatoes, stuffing, or even dessert portions. The design includes fitted lids, so you're not fumbling with cling wrap or foil rolls. The lids snap on snugly to keep your food sealed and fresh, perfect for transport or storage in the fridge or freezer. Let's talk versatility. These foil pans are ready for anything: meal prep, office lunches, party catering, school snacks, or even camping trips. Load them into these trays, pop on a lid, and you're good to go. They're lightweight, stackable, and easy to carry, whether you're heading to a potluck or packing meals for later. These trays can handle the cold. Toss them right in the oven, no need to dirty another dish. Here's another win. These trays are both disposable and reusable. That means if you're done for the night and don't feel like cleaning up, just toss them out guilt-free. But if you're looking to reuse, they're sturdy enough to be washed and used again. On top of that, they're fully recyclable, so while you're saving time and effort, you're also reducing your carbon footprint. When it comes to performance, Zuvo doesn't cut corners. These are heavy-duty containers, not the flimsy kind that buckle under weight. Load them up with your holiday classics: green bean casserole, mac and cheese, cranberry sauce, you name it, and they'll hold steady. Plus, no extra foil covering needed. The included lids do the job with ease. Whether it's for professional catering or home use, they're built to handle the heat, literally and figuratively. If you're hosting Thanksgiving or any large gathering this season, the Zuvo 50-pack aluminum foil pans with lids will save you hours of cleanup, simplify your meal planning, and offer professional-level convenience. They're perfect for families, small food businesses, event organizers, and even those who just like to meal prep in bulk. And with 50 trays in one pack, you won't run out anytime soon. That wraps up our review on the best Thanksgiving disposable foiled trays containers bulk pack. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen efficiency this holiday season, check out the link in the description. This has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.